Alright, let us see some questions based on Boolean function representations. So we have already seen some of the theory for sum of products and product of sum in terms of min term and max terms. So we'll try to see some gate questions based on this particular session. So let us start. The question given is, it was asked in last year gate. So let us say I will try to add one more question in this, which will be max term as well. So the thing is, function of ABC is equal to AB plus A bar BC plus C. We have to identify what is the mean term. Okay, so so many options are there. However, we'll just try to find out them. And at the same time, we will try to identify what is the max term as well. So let us solve this. One of the method can be what? Our aim is to include each term with all the other variables. That's the identity, or that's the way to proceed with canonical form, right? So my function which is of ABC is going to be A, B. Now it is missing C, right? So I can do that C plus C bar. So I can multiply this with 1. So this is the one method to convert this, right? Then what was the other thing? A, B, C, it is having all the terms, so I don't have to worry about in this. Plus in this one C, what is missing? We have A is missing and B is missing. So I can do that A plus A bar into B plus B bar. Okay, so this is how you are going to have all the three terms together in each of the terms, right? Now if you multiply them, you are going to get what? A B C plus A B C bar plus A bar B C plus this is going to be, I'll multiply two terms at a time, so it will be AC plus A bar C into B plus B bar. Then it can be written as A B C plus A B C bar plus A bar B C plus this will be what? A B C plus A B bar C plus A bar B C plus A bar B bar C. So this is simple algebra or simple like multiplication that we are doing. Now what we can do is we can get rid of redundant terms. Okay, so as you can see we have this as redundant term. Okay, so this one can be taken out. Then we have A bar BC also, so A bar BC can be removed. So ABC is here, ABC is here, so one of them can be removed. This one is here, this is also there, can be removed one of them. Rest all are different. So I can write my terms as ABC plus ABC bar plus A bar BC plus A B bar C plus A bar B bar C. Now can you tell me what are these terms? So if you go and see in mean terms, ABC can be written as 1 1 1, this can be written as 1 1 0, then 0 1 1, then 1 0 1, and then 0 0 1. So what I am considering in mean term is, A is going to be 1 and A bar is going to be 0. So the variable is going to be 1 and variable bar will be 0. So as you can see, I can see that this can be equal to summation of 7, 6, 3, 5 and 1. So you take out the decimal equivalent of these three variables and you will be able to get this. So in short, we can write it in proper form. So it can be summation of mean terms of 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is the expression in terms of mean terms. Alright. Now let us say we want to convert it into max term as well. So you know that max term is nothing but the complement of that. So that can be written as max term expression of what is missing? 0. Then 1 is there, then 2, then 3, 4. That's all. So this is how 0 to 4. So this is the answer. Okay. Now this is going to be little bit tedious task, or this is going to be little bit tough to solve this way and find out the min term expression and max term expression. So the other method that I will teach you is, what we can do is, the same expression can be written in terms of this. So let's say my method 2. What was the function? my function was ABC which is equal to AB plus A bar BC plus C. Now our aim is to find out the mean term and max term, and you already know I will keep this thing in mind. Mean terms, my A will be 1 and A bar will be 0. Okay, got it? So with this understanding we will proceed. So what is our aim is? Our aim is to write down each of the terms separately. So I will write it down A, B, C missing. Okay, then A bar, B, C, and then A missing, B missing, and C. Okay, so this is how we are going to write down. Now for A, B you already know that it can have 1, 1. So for missing term it can take either value 0 or 1. So first time it will take 0, second time it will take 1, but A, B will take always 1, 1. Okay, so this is how you are going to get. Similar to that you write down for all others. So it will be 0, 1, 1, it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and this can take up all the time 1, 1, 1 only, because this A, B missing can take any of the options that are available. Now you list out quickly the decimal equivalent of each term. So can you see here it is nothing but 6 and 7, and here it is nothing but 3, and here it is nothing but what? 1, 3, 5, 7. So what would be my mean term expression? So my mean term expression is going to be summation of mean terms of list out all the numbers that is there, unique ones. So redundant one you can remove. Okay, so we have 1, 3 is there, both of them, then 5, 6, 7. So I can see 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Understood? And similar to that max term. So max term, since it is 3 variables, total 8 numbers will be there, like 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 3. Okay, so in that case total 8 numbers will be there. So 5 numbers are already there in mean term, so max term will be having only 3 numbers which is remaining. So that is going to be multiple of capital M of 0 to 4. So this is my max term expression. So this is going to be little easier. Understood? So this is the method 2. Let us take another question and we will try to understand. So let us say we will take now POS form. This was actually in SOP form, summation of products. So this was in product and sum of all the terms. So now let us see some questions based on product of sum. So question 2 is, my function f of a, b, c is equal to b plus c into a bar plus b bar plus c. We have to find out max term, and mean term expressions. So you already know for max term we will try to have let's say max term. What do we have? A is equal to 0 and a bar will be considered as 1. Okay, or variable is 0 and variable bar is 1. Okay. So with this thing we will try to write down the expression. So what would be the thing that we will make? The table we have to make, right? A, B, C. So I will put it A, B, C, and here A bar, B, C is missing, here A bar, B bar, C. Now in max term you know already that A bar is 1 and A is 0. So same way we will follow the principles. Okay. So first term here it can take either 0 or 1. So I will take it 0 or 1, or BC can be taking only 0, 0 because they are without bar, right? Then here come to this one. It can take up 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 because of two variables, and A bar will always take 1, right? In max term it has to be 1. Similar to that 1, 1, 0. Now you collect the terms. So what is the equivalent number of this? This is going to be 0, 4. So this will be 0, 4. This is going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is going to be 6. Okay, so out of all these terms we have to take the unique terms. Okay, because redundancy is not needed, like 4 both of the places is there, 6 6 both of the places is there, so they can be removed. So this is how you are going to get your max term expression as multiplication of max terms of 0, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? Now what would be my mean term expression? So the beauty of this particular method is to convert this particular function into canonical form of multiplication of max terms, okay, or canonical form of summation of mean terms. Okay, so this is the understanding that we have. So 0 is gone, then 1, 2, 3, that's all done. So this is how you are able to express your like a pos form expression or sop form expression, both like a summation of products form or products of sum forms, both in terms of mean terms and max term expressions. Okay, let us take few more questions. So what we will do is we will try to take up this question. Question 3 is function of a b c is equal to b plus a bar c bar plus a bar b c. So this is nothing but sop form. So whenever it is summation of product, try to take out mean terms, okay, and whenever it is product of sum, try to take out max term expression, and then you can convert it to other forms. Okay, so quickly, what is the method that we have to do? We can take up all the variables properly. So a b c, then a bar b c bar, then a bar b c, right? So this is how we are going to write down. Then we can have 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and b will take 1 1 1 1, right? We are writing mean terms, right? Mean terms. So what would be the thing? A will be 0, sorry, a will be 1 and a bar will be 0. So this is how we are understanding. Coming back to the middle term, what we are going to have? The middle term can take up either 0 or 1, and it will always be 0 0 0 0, okay, because it is a bar and c bar. Similar to that, this is going to be 0 1 1. So can you collect the numbers? So if you want, you can quickly do that by yourself, otherwise you can write down the numbers in brackets. Okay, so let us say 2 3 6 7. So you can see first one is 2, like 0 1 0 is 2, then 0 1 1 is 3, then 1 1 0 is 6, and 1 1 1 is 7. Similar to that, this one I will collect 0 and 2. So I will collect it as 0 and 2, and here it is 3. Okay, so the mean term expression will be summation of mean terms of, see, I will take it as 2 3, then 6 7 0, and again 2 3 are coming, so that will be removed. So if you want, you can sort it or write it proper fashion, 0 2 3 6 7. What would be the max term expression if I want? So max term expression will be multiplication of capital M, and what are the missing terms that we can write it down. So hope you have now a very good understanding of converting your functional form into mean term expression or max term expression canonical forms, right? So what is the missing term here? You can see we have 1, then 2 3 4 5. So that's all, this is done. So since it is like a b c, 3 variables, so total 8, total 8 numbers will be there, so from 0 to 7. So whatever is missing, those numbers will come in your max term expression. Let us take another question and try to see whether it is possible or not. So I'll just increase the variable number. So my question number 4 is my function of a b c d, understood, and this is going to be equal to a bar b c plus a b plus b c bar. So we have to find out mean term and max term expression. Understood? So this is the question. Find mean term max term expression. What we'll do? We already know that this is a 4-term variable. It means each of the sub form must have all the 4 variables, right? So we will collect it, like let us say a bar b c d is missing, then a b c d is missing, and then a is missing actually. So a b c bar d is missing, right? So this is how we can collect quickly. If you want to make it little faster, like since it is a GATE exam, it is time limited, so quickly you make it 0 1 and then put down this thing. So you know already, if you are writing mean terms, a will be 1 and a bar will be 0. So a bar is there here, so that will be 0 and this will be 1 1. So it will be 0 1 1 0 1 1, which is not going to change. Here in the middle term we have two variables. So they will take up 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and this will be always 1 1. Understood? Then this will be 0 1. Same way it is going to change it. What it will have? Either it can have 0 0. Wait a moment. It will be having 0 0, then 0 1 1 0 1 1, and the middle term will be always 1 0. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now if you collect the terms, what is going to happen? This one you can see it is 6 7, it is 6. Then this one it is going to have how much? 8 4 12. This is nothing but 12, right? 12 13 14 15, and the last one is having 4 5, and this is 12 13. So you can see like 1 1 0 1 is nothing but 13. 8 plus 5 13, right? Here 8 plus 4 12, right? Like that. So my expression will be summation of how much it is? 6 7 12. I am going to collect the numbers from all the 3 baskets. Okay, so 12 13 14 15 4 5. Okay, and 12 13 is done. So this can be rearranged, summation of 4 5 6 7 12 13 14 15. So this is the expression for mean term. If I want to have max term, what will be the max term? So multiplication of max term of the remaining terms. Remaining terms is going to be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is there, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Done. So this is how we can convert it to my max term expression and mean term expression. So this is my max term and this is going to be my mean term. Understood? Let us take one more question which was asked in GATE last years. So this is lot of questions are being asked in GATE based on this expression to convert it into canonical form. Okay, so the question was question number 5, right, or 6 it is. Function it is going to be like this. Let's say BAC. Okay, sometimes it is written ABC, but it is now written BAC. So what will you do? That you see. So this was asked in GATE. So it is AB plus A bar plus BC. Now find mean term and max term expression. Okay, so this is the question. Actually it was asked only mean term, but I am just adding max term as well. Now it is in SOP form. So you can see this is in SOP form, like sum of products form. So what we will do, we will write down the collect the expression in baskets. So one thing that you have to take care of here is the function is in terms of BAC. It means B is the first number. Okay, so that way you have to collect. Okay, so what will you do? I can write it down. First I'll put it mean term. Okay, mean terms. So my a will be 1 and a bar will be 0. Got it? Then I have BAC, so I'll put it BAC is missing. Then we have B is missing, A bar C is missing actually. Then in third term we have B, A is missing and C. Now we can quickly put it 0 1, then it is 1 1 1 1. Another one is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and A bar will take 0. Similar to that, middle A it will take as 1 0 1, so 0 1 and the other ones are 1 1 1 1. So this is how you have collected the numbers. Now if you see, you can write it down how much, 6 7. Here it is 0 1 4 5. Here it is 5 7. So the mean term will be, mean term expression is going to be how much, summation of terms like 6 7 0 1 4 5 and 7 is done. So if you rearrange them, it is going to be summation of 0 1 4 5 6 7. And if you find out max term, so that is going to come up as multiplication of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So only these two terms. Okay, so this is how we collect this. So alright, hope you are now very clear about the questions that are being asked in GATE and how we can convert these particular functions or Boolean expressions into canonical form, either in terms of like a sum of products form or products of sum form. Okay, so if it is products of sum form, you have to take max term expressions, and if it is sum of products form, you have to take mean term expression. And you already know mean term, a will be considered as 1 and a bar will be considered as 0. If you are going to take with pos form, you have to start with max term, and in that case you have to take a as 0 and a bar as 1. Okay, so this is how it works. Alright, so alright, thank you so much.